All right, so today we're going to make the Hangman game with this new template that was just published recently. We'll come down, let's see. Here it is, Telegram mini app Hangman game. You can also search for it in the app, but anyway, we'll go ahead and just click start with this template. Okay, and let's go ahead and just say test latest version. And I'm doing this on an iPhone. This should work on any device. But since it is a Telegram mini app game, I figured doing this demonstration on a mobile device probably makes more sense for all of you Telegram users out there. All right, so we get some instructions. Step 1, get a Telegram bot API key. Click this link to message the bot father, and then follow the prompts. Okay, so we're going to click this link. All right, that opens up your Telegram app. We say start, and let's say we have to say new bot. I think we do / new bot. How are we going to call it? Let's call it Hangman game test video bot. Let's just use the same thing. Okay, so this is the API key here. So you actually want to just tap it and it's going to copy the text for you. Then you go back into the lazy builder and follow the instructions. It's pretty simple. It's basically saying to add the API key into the environment secrets tab. The environment secrets tab is right here at the top right. So this is the code tab, environment secrets tab. So it's already set up for us because this is a template. So we'll just paste the key, save the changes, go back into the test tab, update and run. All right, it's looking good. So if you scroll down and you look at the logs, it's saying click here to start chatting. So it looks like it's connected, and it just opened a new chat to our Telegram bot. Open this web app, let's say launch, and just like that, you've already got this Hangman game. Let's see if it works. A hill of sand formed by the wind. Dune? Yeah, that was easy. Next word, a triangular landform at a river mouth. Probably delta. Okay, I'm too good at this. Let's just get it wrong so you guys can see the Hangman picture. Oh no. Cool. Looks like even here you have a profile page, and here you can even access the same template, which actually goes straight to my author page. So anyway, if you go into lazy, you can tell it to do different things like change the color to white and green, for example. So again, the whole point of the template is so that you have something that's ready to go that you can either modify or build on top of. All right, so we'll test the latest version. It's deploying. All right, let's go back into the chat. Let's reopen it. See, now it changed it to white and green. Let's see what the Hangman looks like. It's still gray, but anyway, I think you get the idea. So it's that quick. In Lazy, anything is possible with just words. Hope you enjoyed this video. Happy building.